Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of why you click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Wise app. And here you will update your app if you find update. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.